Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. I have a big canvas today. This is a 16 by 20 and I am going to attempt a galaxy pour here. The technique that I used in the last two videos, the air swipe or the Dutch technique as some are calling it, I really liked the effects that I got from that, and I wanted to see what would happen if I used a black background. So I have Artist Loft, Flow Acrylic in black. Satchmo is ripping up the house at the moment. Colors. I have Basics Prism Violet, Quinacridone Magenta, and I have Golden Acrylics in Pthalo Blue. Oh, it should go that way. Pthalo Blue. And Artist Loft Silver. To the blue, purple, and magenta, I have added some silver. The reason for that, or reasons, these colors are all transparent, and if I were mixing that with a black, it may just completely disappear. Silver is an opaque, and it has some lovely shimmery properties, which I think might blend well with the black and give that very ethereal effect. And just this Pthalo Blue, I don't know if you can get a good flash of that color mixed with that silver, is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I may have found a new favorite color. An expensive one, yay. Actually, for a painting even this size, I only used about the size of a lima bean in this cup. Not much at all. These paints are thinned 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, and then thinned to a very thin consistency with my mixture of 90% water and 10% Floetrol. The consistency would be when you are drizzling the paint off of the stick, it does not form a mound in the paint that it is falling into, on the paint. All right, let's put down a base coat. You want to remember to reserve paint for the swiping. I did level this canvas. It is important to level your canvas or your paint will run off. And it is especially important on big paintings because they take longer to dry, which means they have a lot more time to move around on you. Generally, once the edges start setting up, your paint has formed a skin and you're okay. Sometimes, if you're having trouble covering your edges when you're putting on your base coat, I find that rocking this little putty knife pulls just a little bit of it from the top and it helps you to cover your edge. I'm going to do a streak of silver. Okay, my air compressor is on and it is set to 45 PSI. I've had people asking where I got it. It is available through my Amazon store. So if you click on the link below the video to my Amazon store, you will find the exact model that I have right there. Okay, so we're laying down our white paint. And I am going to be straying just a bit from the original technique. Ooh. I wore most of that spray. Okay, this is where I'm straying. Big canvas, sorry, I know that was just off camera. Apologies. I am loving this, loving it. Right now, I'm just trying to blow off extra paint because there's a lot of paint on here and I don't want to move it. I hope that it dries somewhat like this because in person, there's so much like delicate laciness going on. I will be psyched if it maintains that. All right, I didn't want to mess with this corner, but I'm losing my color there. I want a little more brightness there. All right, I feel like I need something lighter over here on this side, so I'm gonna put a little more silver here. Just a touch. Doesn't take much. This space, a little too dark. I think something's under there. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, bringing you in for a close-up. You guys, look at this. I am so psyched. The silver just barely laying over top of the black. It looks like stars. You have this part, it looks like nebula. You have the lacing, your Rayleigh Taylor instability. Yes, yes. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I'm so excited about this piece. Please, oh please dry well. That blue is just so pretty. I'm really psyched about this piece. Y'all, send me good mojo that this dries well. Look at that lacing. And it's different angles. It looks different because of the metallics. Well, this was a messy venture, but man, oh man, am I happy with the effect. I learned something. I hope you did too. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar, if you feel so inclined, if you feel inspired to. The Amazon link that is down there, the anything that you purchase, if you enter through that link, anything you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I make a small commission of at no additional cost to you. My website, ginadeluca.net. If you would like to check out my art and my music. It is available for purchase there. And go make some art. Check out our Facebook group, Go Make Some Art. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions. Be inspired. Oh, I'm in love with this piece. Okay. Well, that is it for me for today. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.